Hi guys, Cy Fisher here with Windermere Real Estate South Whidbey. Today we're doing another tech training tutorial for real estate agents. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a transaction in your transaction desk directly from a listing in Matrix. With a simple click of a button, you'll import all that data over from the listing into your transaction desk. And I'll show you guys how to make sure that all of the supplements that the listing broker put in that listing get transferred over to and are automatically put in your transaction for your use in making an offer for your buyer client. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. So here we are in Matrix, and we're looking at a listing, an amazing listing. Definitely, this is a listing that you should be making an offer on immediately, if at all possible, for your clients before it disappears. Wink, nod. All right. To create the transaction, you're going to come over here to these icons to the right of the listing photo, and you're going to go down to this one that looks like a piece of paper with a pen. If you hover over it, you can see it says TransactionDesk. Go ahead and left click on that icon, and it's going to open up your transaction desk for you and start creating that transaction. So from here, you are going to give it the name that you want, all the normal stuff. If you have a template, highly recommend using it. We created some office-wide templates for our brokers to use here in South Whidbey. So this one's going to be a vacant land sale, so I'm going to use that template, definitely. Import data from Matrix, vacant land. Here's the MLS number. Put me as a selling broker. Don't want to run through the wizard today in this tutorial. I highly recommend using the wizard though when you're creating your transaction. Just put in all the information you have. Head up here and hit create. This will take a second because it's going to be pulling over all the information from Numals, from Matrix. So we'll give it a second to do its thing. Yay! Finally we are here, and we're in the new transaction we've created. We're in the details section. So run through here, verify all the information is correct, add any additional information you may need to add, and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and check out the contact section. As you can see, it imported the seller information, the listing broker information, so you won't have to manually input those. Let's go ahead and look at documents. Man, look at that. It actually uploaded all of the supplemental documents to our transaction that the listing broker put in there for you to see. So that's fantastic. I know some people in the past have manually downloaded every single one of the supplemental documents and then uploaded every single one into their transaction. Well, you no longer have to do that. Now, I do want to point out something here. I've actually used this exact method of creating a transaction before, and it didn't pull over the supplemental documents for some reason. Well, if that's the case, you can actually come up here to the top right where the three dots are, open that up. It's going to bring you your transaction menu, and down here you can select import data. So if you click on that, you're going to select all the pertinent information from Matrix, what type of listing, that sort of stuff. Put in the listing number, automatically populate forms, and then select import. It's going to make you wait a little while longer, but I've had it glitch out where it didn't put the supplements in automatically, and if you go through this, it will import them. So just a little handy trick in case the system's being glitchy on you. But yeah, that's going to save you guys a ton of time. All the supplements are here, and now you just have them easily accessible to use in making your offer for your buyer client. So that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. Nice, quick, easy rundown. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach out to me by phone, by text, by email. I'm happy to answer all your questions. And of course, I want you guys to like and subscribe if you want more tech training tutorials, other real estate related content. And you guys can always comment down in the comment section for other videos you want to see made, or if you have any questions about this procedure. So Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you on the next one. Bye.